how to change your Chime password step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is get into your chime.com, or you can actually get into your application version. Either way, you'll need to get the application or website. Then you can tap on the menu bar right here on the website. You can see login, tap on login, and then from there, all you need to do is add in all of the credentials of your account, right? So of course, we're going to write our email here, password here, and when you do tap on sign in, you'll be signed into your account. But if you want to change your password, then what you should actually do is simply tap on the option forgot your password. So here, before all of this, of course, you have to make sure that you are logged out of your account, right? So if you're logged into your Chime account, obviously you wouldn't be able to do it. So make sure that you are logged out of your account, and then from there you can simply tap on the forgot your password right here. And after doing that, you can simply write in the email address of your Chime password. After doing that, you can tap on submit, and then from there you'll actually be able to get a link on your email. So all you need to do is open your email inbox, and then in there you'll be able to see a link sent by Chime. Tap on that link, then follow all of the on-screen prompts. Then after following all of the on-screen prompt, you'll successfully be able to reset your password, and like that you'll be able to change your Chime password. Now you can come back to your login page, and then you'll be able to now use your new password to log into your account.